New Year is coming and that is the perfect time to do affiliate marketing. So even if you are absolute beginner, you can make money. And also I'm going to show you a perfect niche that works perfectly in this time of year, but you have to do it before New Year. And the reason why this works so well in this time of year is because all of these big events, all of these big holidays, everybody's doing marketing about them, everybody's talking about that, and that is why even if you are a beginner, you can make sales, you can make money. So without further ado, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to begin. Okay guys, this method works best in relationship niche, and I personally find best relationship products on Clickbank. But if Clickbank doesn't work in your country, you can use Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. But like I said, I personally find best products on Clickbank. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on self-help. And I need to sort this by gravity. Let me just click here on gravity and I'm actually looking for a specific product that is related to men. Because men are the one who need to make a first move, men are the one who need to approach women first. And many men have problem with that. And New Year is approaching and nobody wish to be alone on a New Year. So this product will actually help them to solve that problem, to help them to make that first move, to help them to find a girlfriend in a new year. And this is the product, the obsession method. As you can see here, I can make $62.27 on average. Gravity is 39, which is decent gravity. And I actually need to open their sales page in new tab to check it out because like I said in my previous videos, sales page is really important because if it's a good sales page, you can make more sales. And also we are going to need their sales page and you will see later why. But before we continue guys, I am giving away Top Affiliate Tactics ebook for free and I will leave you a link in description so you can download your copy totally free. So this is their sales page and as you can see here, they are opening their sales page with a video. That is always a good thing because people like watching videos. So this is a good sales page. Because this product is helping men to get a girlfriend, next thing I need to do, I need to go on Google and here I need to type top pickup lines and click search. Because that is the first thing that you will say some girl, right? It is a pickup line, right? And here you can see many websites actually made a list of top pickup lines that you can use. So this one here, for example, 101 cheesy but cute pickup lines. People like 101, 1001, 10,001. For some reason, people like that number. And plus, this is a big list, 101 pickup lines. So let me just click here to open this website to check out this list. And let me just scroll through this list. And this is actually a list of really good pickup lines. So if you are a guy, you can use some of these pickup lines if you want. So now we actually need to convert this website, this web page into a PDF document. So what you need to do, you need to go on Google and here in search bar, just type web to PDF and click search. And you need to click here on this second result. And this website is called Web to PDF Converter. And what we need to do, we need to go back to this website, we need to copy the URL, and we need to go back here and just paste that URL here and click here. And this website will automatically convert this website here, this web page here, into a PDF document that we can use to promote this product here, okay? So let me just go back here. And all I have to do now is just click here on download converted file and then click here on save and that's it. I will save this PDF document on my desktop. And this is how this PDF document looks. It's not the best PDF document, it's not the best looking PDF document, but this method is fast and it is absolutely easy. I mean, you can do this manually if you want, but like I said, this is the easier and faster way to do this. So now when we have this PDF document, when we have this ebook, now we need to add our affiliate link into this ebook, into this PDF document. And to do that, to add your affiliate link into this PDF document, you need to go on a website called Seido. And Sado is absolutely free, so you need to click here on edit a PDF document. It's free. Click here and then click here on upload PDF document, and then click here and give it a few seconds to actually upload this PDF document to Sado. And this is my PDF document. So what I need to do next, I need to click here, insert page here. That is important. And now I need to add a call to action into this PDF document. So I can simply go back on their sales page and I can simply copy this, for example, and Control C, go back on Sado, and I need to click here on this text, okay? And I need to click here, and I can paste that text here. And I need to actually make this smaller, so let me just make it smaller like this, and I will actually move this part here in another row. So I added this text, and first line is slightly bigger to make it more eye-catchy, and I also added this click here to watch a free video. Now this will make them think that they will actually get one video for free, and that will increase my click-through rate. And I will actually make this in red color, so let me just click here and click on red, and I will make it bold to make it even more eye-catchy. And now I actually need to go back on their sales page, and I need to click here to play this video, and I'm actually waiting a specific line in this video because these guys actually have subtitles. So let me just play it to find that specific line. So let me just play it.
Hi, I'm Kate Spring, and I'm going to teach you a secret language that will make any...
Okay, this is the line that I was waiting for. That will make any woman feel an uncontrollable lust. That is a powerful line that will make people click to find out how to get that uncontrollable lust with women, like, right? So what I need to do, I actually need to take a screenshot of this page. And there are many add-ons that you can add to your Google Chrome, to add to Mozilla Firefox or whatever browser you are using. Or you can simply use your keyboard. To use your keyboard, just press Ctrl and then print screen. And then just go back here and you need to use Microsoft Paint. So let me just scroll here, click on Accessories, click on Paint, and simply press Ctrl V to paste it. And now you need to click here on Select Rectangle, and I need to select this. So let me just select this, okay? And now just click here on Crop, and that's it. And now just click here on Exit, click Save, and let's say video, for example, video, okay? And click Save, and that's it. I saved a screenshot of this sales page. Now just go back on Sado, and now you need to click here on Images, and then click here on New Image. And this is the image, this is the screenshot. So we just open this, give it a second, and now I added an image, a screenshot that I just made, and I can actually drag this to reposition it, and I can also make it larger or smaller. So now I actually need to add my affiliate link, my Clickbank affiliate link. So I need to go back on Clickbank, and I need to click here on Promote. And I can use this default because that will send them to their sales page that we are using in this video. So just click here on Generate Hook Links, give it a second, then just click here to copy this affiliate link. Let me just close this, go back on Sado, and now I need to click here on Links. And I need to mark this, okay? And I just need to add my Clickbank affiliate link here, and then just press Enter, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. And also, people like to click on these videos to watch these videos because they see here a play button. So what I need to do, I need to also mark this to add my affiliate link here, okay? And I will just paste my Clickbank affiliate link here, press Enter, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. And now when someone click here or here, it will take them to this sales page of this product, and if they buy this product, I am going to earn $62.27. And you need to add your call to action on few places in your PDF document, in your ebook. And after you finish everything, after you are happy how everything looks, all you have to do is just click here on Apply Changes. Give it a few seconds to actually process this. And then just click here on Download and download this PDF document, this edited PDF document that contains your affiliate link to your desktop. And this is how my PDF document looks. And now when someone click here or here, it will take them, let me just click here, it will take them to the sales page of this product. As you can see here, it takes them to the sales page of this product. And like I said, if they buy this product, I'm going to earn $62 for that sale. So now what you need to do, you need to upload this PDF document on PDF document sharing websites. You can upload it on Google Drive, you can upload it on Scribd, on SlideShare, or any other PDF document sharing website. And then you need to start driving traffic to that PDF document that contains your affiliate link. And one of the best places where you can get free traffic for these kind of products are related Facebook groups. Just go on Facebook and search for dating tips, dating advices, relationship, and so on and so on. And here you will see there is plenty of related groups that you can join and start promoting this product. For example, this group here, dating tips for Tinder. So let me just open this group in new page, in new tab. And now you need to make a post in this group, and I'm going to give you a blueprint that you can use. So just scroll here and click on write something. And you can say something like this. Pickup line challenge. People like challenges, people like sharing their own experiences. And here you can say, guys, what is your favorite pickup line? Like I said, people like sharing their experiences. Comment below, I will start. So I need to add my pickup line. So I can simply go back on this website here and I need to find a good pickup line. So let me just go through this. So, okay, this is a good pickup line. So let me just highlight this, Control C for copy, go back on Facebook and I can paste it here. Okay, so aside from taking my breath away, what do you do for a living? That is a good, funny, and also a good pickup line. Like I said, if you want, you can use these pickup lines, okay? And here you need to say, by the way, I got it from a free ebook. Link is in the comment, over 100 pickup lines. And you need to click here on post, and your comment need to be a first comment. And in that comment, you will add a link to Scribd, to SlideShare, to Google Drive, or wherever you uploaded that PDF document that contains your affiliate link. And like I said, people will start commenting because this is a challenge and because people like sharing their experience, and you will see whole bunch of pickup lines. People will start adding whole bunch of pickup lines. And after you make a post and comment in this group, just go back here and join these other related groups, relationship related groups, and start making similar challenges. And like I said, people like challenges, people like sharing their experience. And after you finish with dating tips groups, you can go on relationship advice groups, you can go on relationship, on marriage, and so on and other related groups, and you can start these challenges in those groups. And also other really good free traffic sources for this kind of products are Quora, Reddit, and especially related forums. But about those free traffic sources we are going to talk about in some other video. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner without website by driving free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.